Okay, this video is going to be pretty exciting. Got some stuff from Lowe's. As you all know, I'm a Lowe's affiliate, so they sent me some more stuff. So let's get the camera down and get into it. Okay, first up we have this table saw blade. By Spyder. We're going to try it out. It's an 80 tooth, 10-inch 80 tooth, ultra fine finish. Be a lot better than the 24 tooth that my table saw came with. And then we have twist lock adapter, extension cord. It's supposed to be 14.3. And then we have generator adapter. And you might be saying, well, why do you have the extension cord and the generator adapter? That's a good question. Let me show you. I also have this wind generator. This is awesome. So let's get all this stuff opened up and get into it better. What the heck? An empty box. No, I'm just kidding. It's over there. Okay. Show you all the stuff. Show you from a distance. 5600 surge, 4500 watt rated. Now, I do have a little bit of bad news though. See this twist lock? It's only 3-prong. My adapter I got is 4-prong, so that's gonna have to go back. So that sucks. In fact, let's go over there and I'll show you. Four-prong. So that one's gonna have to go back. I didn't open the cord because I don't want to open it yet, but you see how it's flat? It's kind of weird. This one is the largest wire, and I guess there's a wire in the center and then this smaller one. It's kind of weird looking for a heavy duty indoor outdoor use, but whatever. Here's the big splitter. Plug that into the generator, and then you have two, 120. And here is the blade. Oops. And I can tell you one thing, this sucker is sharp. So I'll show you where on the generator this plugs in at. It plugs in right there, then a 3-pronger there, and then you got, of course, you got 2 outlets. Which with that adapter, I can have 2 more outlets, 2 more of these style outlets. But that's the front of it. As you can see, right there, it's electric start. It's got all kind of breakers on it. This, I'm assuming, is the breaker for here. This is the breaker for this, and this one's the breaker for these 2. I guess you can see all that, hopefully. And it's pull start or electric start. And I will, well, let's just see. Hold on, let me put the choke on. cool. Now, the first time I cranked it, I did pull it with the rope. It didn't say the battery was all the way dead, but it said it's shipped with the battery not fully charged. And they recommend, of course, you got to put oil in it right there. But then you got to plug these two wires up because these was plugged in. But they recommend pulling it with the cord, letting it run, I guess, to charge the battery up for a little while before you use the electric start. It's 4.6 gallons. And of course, these handles, you just pull this pin out and the handle folds down, and then you can put the pin back in there. I don't know if you can see that or not. You put the pin around this pipe so I don't lose it. It's pretty cool. And then you can fold these handles down out of the way. Pretty freaking awesome. I really appreciate that, Lowe's. Okay, I switched out the blade. You can see on the bottom side here is 24 tooth. And this side is the 80 tooth. Same here. 24 up here. 80 at the bottom. Did pretty good. I went ahead and cut this out because it was on a big old, all that was left over from it, so I cut this out. It's pretty cool. As you can see, it didn't chip up any of the edges or anything. But that's pretty good. When I do just rough cuts on 2x4s or whatever, I'll put the other blade back in it. This blade that came with it, even though this one says it's ultra fine finish. But, you know. Okay, like I said, when I'm just doing 2x4s or whatever, I'll put that 24 tooth blade back in. And then when I'm doing fine stuff like plywood and I don't want to mess up the edges, I'll use that blade. Don't know how long it's going to last. Everybody says that's a good brand for a blade, so we'll see. I'm sure it's got to be better than the Skill blade that came with the saw, with the table saw, so we'll see. And like I said, I didn't pay for any of this stuff. The generator, the saw blade, and the cords and the adapters, Lowe's sent me them. Actually, I ordered them with the e-gift card. So I appreciate it very much, Lowe's. Thank you. And I'm going to get some good use out of this generator, that's for sure. I think the other one, the little one we have, is only like 1,000, maybe 2,000 watt. This one's 4,500 watts, so it's a lot better. So, and thanks to the gas cans that someone sent me, I'll have plenty of gas to keep this thing running. It says it should run about 10 hours, 10 or 11 hours. I don't know, we'll see. But I'm at the point now where I need to do an oil change on it. It said let it run for 8 hours and at various different loads on it, but don't go over 50%. And then do an oil change on it. But it only came with 1 quart of oil, so if that was the case, it should have came with 2. But anyway, it just takes 10W30, so I'll have to go to the Walmart or Parts House or wherever and get some oil. But that's where I'm at on the generator. That generator is awesome, and that saw blade is awesome. And you know, extension cords are extension cords. And I know you didn't want to actually see me replace the blade and cut with the saw, did you? With the noise and saw going, the vacuum cleaner going. I didn't think you would want to see that, so I did that off camera. Now, if you want to get any of this stuff, check the link in the description. It'll take you to Lowe's, to my Lowe's storefront. Great deals on this stuff. And I appreciate it. And like always, leave me a comment down there, and tell me what you think about the video and what you think about the products that I showed. And hopefully you'll go check them out and get you some. And also give the video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that. That's all I got for this one. Hope you liked it. See you in the next one.